Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Rally Sport in Mulsanne blue. A great looking car that sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $47,000. And this one was, according to the seller's info, you're looking at one of the nicest Camaro Z28s with 45,000 original miles, full rotisserie restoration, stunning high-quality paint, factory rally wheels and disc brakes. Exhaust consists of ceramic-coated chrome pipes on both sides. Original floors and sheet metal. Bucket seats are original and in perfect condition. Front split bumper and rear bumper are new. Big block matching number 350 CI 360 horse LT1 solid lifter V8 with the original turbo 400. It's actually a small block. And a 12-bolt posi traction rear end. And then on his other sign, he had 1970 Camaro Z28 Rally Sport, restored to original factory specs. This 1970 Camaro was ordered with regular production option code Z28, which included the special performance LT1 350 engine. The GM official production date was May 5th, 1970, and originally sold on May 21st, 1970, by Rapid Chevrolet Company in Rapid City, South Dakota. It spent its entire life in Deadwood, South Dakota area until 2010, when it was sold by the fourth owner immediately following a complete frame-off rotisserie restoration. Documents include the NCRS shipping data report, a copy of the original MSO, copies of the titles from the 4 previous owners, and all receipts for the restoration. The odometer shows 45,000 miles and is believed to be actual based on odometer readings documented on the titles before the car was age exempt. And then trim codes 2626, the paint codes Mulsanne blue paint, and then the interior code 712, black comfort vinyl interior, then RPO Z28 Special Performance Group. It has a 410 posi axle, and then the RPO Z22 Rally Sport package. In 1970, Chevy only made 8,733 Z28s. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.